This is problem number 3 from section 5.3. It says use the compound interest formula to determine the final value of the given amount. $800 at 6% compounded continuously for 7 years. Now, whenever they say continuously, we are going to use the compound interest formula, but it changes ever so slightly. So continuously compounded interest, instead of having 1 plus r over n in our formula, now we just use Euler's number, which is E, which is 2.71. Now, long story short, this number, as you get large values of n, meaning you're compounding it more than just daily, this number that you get in here actually is basically Euler's number as n gets large. So that's why they just plug in E there. So Euler's number is 2.71. E is in our calculator. We don't really have to worry about that much. All we need to write down is the principal, which is $800. We need to write down the rate, which is 0.06. We need to write down the number of years, which is 7. So we're putting $800 at 6% for 7 years. Let's write out the formula, and we have A equals 800 E to the R, so 0.06 T, which is 7. And we can plug that straight in our calculator. So we're going to say 800, E is over here by the division sign, E to the, and we'll say 0.06 and 7. And that's $1,217.57. Now, if your interest, if you have a loan that you take out and you have a choice between compounding, I should say not a loan, if you are gaining interest, meaning you've invested in something, and you get a choice between, like, is it compounded daily, once a year, or continuously? Well, if you're investing in something, you want it compounded continuously because you'll make more money. But if you have a loan, you're going to want to compound that the least amount of times possible. So that would be like, if you got a choice, you'd want to compound it only once a year.